forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with that.
They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
I dot me say, I dot me say, I dot me say, I dot me say.
Out and good.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, can you see what's behind us? Let me just give you a little peek. I don't know if you can see that good.
That me say.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another part in our 14-part series of exploring Jamaica. Guys, if you know, you know. Look at this. If you know, you know. We are in the Blue Mountains. Blue Mountains and Jonker Mountains.
Up top, up top.
Yes, guys. There's a mosquito flying around me. We are in Holywell Park. And we are in the Blue Mountains right now, taking it all in.
The hills of St. Andrew.
Yes, so stay tuned for the vlog. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this one. Yeah.
It work, it work. Chicken me a jerk.
Right, before we get into the video, just some information about the mountains. So the Blue and Jonker Mountains National Park is located east of the island and incorporates much of the interior of the parishes of Portland, St. Thomas, St. Andrew and a small section of southeast St. Mary. The park accounts for 4.4% of Jamaica's land surface and the park comprises three mountain ranges. The Port Royal Mountains, the Blue Mountains and the Jonker Mountains, divided by the Buff Bay and Rio Grande valleys on the north side of the ranges. The Blue and Jonker Mountains was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2015 for its natural and cultural heritage. Yeah, so this is the drive to Blue Mountain, Holywell Park. And this is the views already. We're not even up there yet, but this is the view already from the drive going up. Look at that, people. Let me zoom in.
Yeah, ship out the water and move.
Can you?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, guys, so we're on the way to Holywell Park, the Blue Mountains.
Top of St. Andrew.
Top of St. Andrew. Yeah.
I'll show you what I go on.
Alright, you are entering Newcastle.
Yeah. There's a cold, my piece.
It is cold already, guys. We are so high up right now. I'm doing some work. This must be from the hurricane, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
This is from the hurricane, guys.
It's a tree.
Look, tree root up. So we are now entering the camp. The soldier camp. So there's some soldiers out there because there's some training. Out there.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
See the soldiers there?
Blessings, brother. Blessings.
So they're doing their work, cleaning the place and everything. Yeah.
So that training is the thing where training and put you make you understand how life set up, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm probably supposed to be the same thing, you know.
But so look here, guys. We're at the Newcastle training place with the cannons there. This is where they train.
Yes.
So they got all their murals and everything. Alright, guys, look at this. So this looks like landslide. It's landslide, isn't it?
Yeah, man, landslide is, man.
Look at the little piece of road. This is the narrow road we have to drive on. Look. The precipice is right here. Hold on, but look at that view. Look at that view.
Yeah.
Look, guys, this is the road. Honestly, look. This is the road. The road.
Look up now.
Look up here. I don't know if I can get it all. Not there yet.
Look up.
This is the road. But that is the view. Amazing. Alright, guys. Yes, we are here. Blue Mountain, Holywell Park. So we're ready for the hike now.
Up top.
Yeah, so I know many of you know, but if you've not been here before, when you come here, there are different levels of hikes you can do. So there's easy. That's what I'll be doing. I'll be doing the easy hike. You know, not too strenuous, but you still get beautiful views and see beautiful nature. And then the hikes, they increase, right? With difficulty.
Right there.
So some are easy and some are hard. But nonetheless, it's a great experience and it's beautiful up here. It's only $400 Jamaican dollars for locals, so very, very affordable. Holywell Recreational Park, Blue and John Crow Mountains National Park.
Yeah. I feel it.
Take care. That is it. Must take care of it.
Yeah. So,
We must.
feel it. So we must take care of it. What have people up there, you know?
Right, people, it's cool up here, right? So on the flat in Kingston, it's about 31 degrees. It's morning time. So it's like, what time is it now? 11 o'clock? 11.
Yeah.
So on the flat before we got up here, it was about 31 degrees. That was about maybe an hour ago. Up here, it's now 23 degrees, just to show you how very, very cool it is. 23 degrees. Okay, so we just entered. We're just going to go to the car park. Car park is up there. And you can camp as well. People come and do camping. So they've got information about the trail, sight, sounds and smells of the Mist Forest. These are all different things we were going to see. Bloomer High, the different birds, Jamaican toady, Bloomfield. And then these are all the trails. So welcome to Hollywood. So we are here. And then you've got the different, the Only Mount Trail. I think this is quite an easy one. Bloomer High Trail. So that's the map. The Legend of Holywell, so them say. So that's a bit of the history there. Legend has it, one slave master in the early 15th century spent several hours alternating between the hot and cold waters of the streams in Blue Mountains for their therapeutic powers. A slave on the plantation was severely beaten and ran away to the mountains but was soon caught. The slave owner was amazed to see that the wounds of the slave had healed within that short time. He inquired of him what he had done. The slave said he bathed in a certain spring. The master promised not to punish the slave if he revealed the location of the spring. Today we don't know the exact location of the healing springs at Holywell. However, we do know that local persons used to bathe in ponds in the Wagwater stream area. And then here, so these are discovering the Blue and John Crow Mountains. These are different trails. So it tells you the difficulty. So the Oatley Mountain Trail is long, difficulty, much elevation gain. Shelter Trail, moderate. Bloomer Hole Trail, easy. Okay, I think that's the one I need. Waterfall Trail, much elevation gain. Wagwater Trail, much elevation gain. It says things you must carry with you: warm clothing, rain gear, water bottle, comfortable sturdy walking shoes or hiking boots and snacks. And then some rules, the do's and the do nots. So that's that. The trail starts. So here we are. Let me show you something with Outlaw, yeah? It says, this is the way we went last time. It says, okay, it says to put on good shoes. So I've got my good shoes on. Good shoes. Look at those. You going around there? So there's a coffee place around here, but I don't know if it's open. Oh, yeah, it looks so. Yeah. Cafe, you can get like breakfast and lunch and stuff. Morning. Okay. Last time we came, it was closed. Blue Bistro, so definitely coffee. They do pastries. They do breakfast. All kinds of things. Sometimes people just come over up here just to eat. Eat lunch from breakfast. Yeah. It's a nice little place here. Are you just open on weekend still? Is it still just weekend that you're open? Yes. Okay. So still only weekends that they're open. Get them in there. So you can get your different beverage. Latte, cappuccino, all them things. Tea, beers, rum, food, steak, omelette, pancake, bagels, burgers, salads, wraps, mayonnaise, all kind of things. Plenty seating area up here. Got my coffee, my Blue Bistro coffee. It's got no sugar in it. It actually tastes okay. I don't take milk because I can't take dairy, but it actually tastes alright. Even no sugar. Taste it.
Blue Mountain coffee.
Taste it.
What is it? Let me taste it.
Forcing him to taste it. There's no sugar in it though.
No, sugar.
No, it tastes good.
Sugar it first.
Do it first. Right. It's good, even without it.
See, you see what woman make man stray?
Yes, it needs a little sugar, but it's alright. Taste the quality of the coffee. Tastes alright,
Yeah, man.
See?
True.
Even without the sugar.
Yeah, taste the real coffee.
Yeah.
Can't drink without sugar.
Yeah, but I want to put the sugar in it still. And you can go down. We've got tents here, so people camp out here, you know. So you can camp here. You can see a tent there. A place over there. Walking down. Walking down.
Yeah.
We're going to show you everything we can. So guys, if you're adventurous like that and you want to come camping up here, you can. You can hire the tent. You can bring your own. We've got little communal spaces as well. I don't think I would do the camping myself personally. I don't think I'm so brave. We get some beautiful views from up here though. Look. So that's the communal spaces there. Somebody pitched tent. Wonder if someone's in there. Yeah, more information over there. And you get a nice view from here too. Yeah, let's go down and see. We're skeptical about which trail to go. We don't know. I know there's a map that tells you, but we're just walking.
He's not
in a long distance.
Yeah.
So we're going to kind of stick to what we know. We're going to do the trail that we did before.
Yeah, go back one.
Yeah, I don't know what that one's called, but we're trying to find the easy. There is Oatley, Blue Mahoy. They're there. I've got them. I showed them on the map.
We see what's going on. We see what's going on up there.
But yes, guys, look on the Blue Mountain. You see? Oh, behind me.
What is it? Oriole. There's some bird we call Antiquity. Goolie.
What do you call it?
See the in Jamaican Oriole.
Maybe that's the official name.
Or Oriole, whatever.
Yeah, Oriole.
It's the same bird we call Antiquity. Or Goolie.
That's not a trail, is it?
Tree, no, but the tree in the cut down that
It's jammed, so we can't go that way.
No,
Go back and walk up.
you can't jump.
Who?
You.
Can you?
What do you mean?
Can't jump over the tree.
So why you just go back over it? So you want me to turn back?
Is
You
it?
can't jump.
But you don't know what lies ahead. So maybe it's a no-go area.
Yeah, move like it. We're moving here. White man can't jump.
Well, I'm not white and I'm not a man, so
Yes.
that's not applicable to me.
I agree.
Okay then. All right, on we go, guys. We have to find a different way. Do you think it was raining up here? Was it raining up here?
It was raining.
Yeah, well, it's a bit. Is it wet or is it just dampish? Yeah. And all that is down there. I feel hot just because we're walking, right, and hiking. But it is cool up here.
Yeah, we sit down for about 5-10 minutes to get back home.
Yeah.
But the place is cool.
Very cool. Very, very cool. We're gonna go here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's going down. There's steps there. Oh, no. Probably another campsite.
I run outside the drive. When you turn out, we're coming all the way.
Oh.
You have something to get into this.
There's another little place that you can come and stop and sit down. Relax. But guys, this is it. Yes. Fireside for cooking, see? Yeah. Yep. Run a boat. Guys, this is it. This is what we come for. Look at this. This is what it is. Look at these views. It's like a postcard, isn't it? It's like a pic. Look at that. Yeah. Little seating area. They're having fun and games in there. Here we are, guys. So this is it. Let me tell you something. The breeze up here. Oh, divine. We're taking the seat right now.
Have to.
We're taking the seat right now. And the
Babes.
breeze is beautiful.
Babes.
It's well worth a journey up here. No, it's worth a journey. If you've not been, it's worth a journey.
Real thing, man.
Definitely.
Have to.
And this is what we're sitting in front of. Yes, it's in here. The edge there, and that's right in front of us. That is what is in front of us. And the breeze, oh, it's so lovely. Stop for a minute after that hiking.
Beautiful.
Yeah, guys, yes, if you can manage the hiking, like I said, there's different trails. So the one we did was fairly easy. But if you can make it, definitely come up. Remember, we'll take you up here.
Yeah, you guys come to Jamaica and want to make that move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't say that. Obviously, you guys know Blue. Well, if you don't know, most of you know, Blue Mountain's famous for its coffee.
Good.
So many coffee farms up here.
Good.
And
a lot of coffee treats.
yeah. And along the way coming up, when we're going back, we'll show you. But even driving up here, like through Irish Town and everything, before you get up here, there's loads of different cafes selling coffee. So on the way down or on the way up, you can stop, get a coffee. Of course, you can stop at the Blue Bistro Cafe that we just showed you and get coffee. So you're supposed to get some of the best coffee up here, right?
Yeah, when they eats down there.
Eats is a very popular one in Irish Town.
Just pass it down there, not too long ago.
You can buy food there and everything.
A few things you can learn up here.
Yeah.
And I think you will like it.
I love it. I love it up
beautiful.
here. I can just sit here and just enjoy the breeze and take in the nature all day. Yeah.
Very beautiful.
It's so cool. Look, Atlas sitting there. I don't think he's ready to go yet. Huh? I'm just telling the people, it's nice and cool. You're not ready yet.
No, not quite. Not quite.
I think he wants to take in the cool breeze. You know? Yes. He says if we could just bag up some of the cooling and bring it with us. Yeah. Going back down, these are some of the coffee places. Yeah.
Go on, man. All right, brother.
Yeah. Look at that place, guys.
Yeah, man. It's a nice coffee and such up there.
Yeah. Look at that, the wooden things that is...
That's the back of it.
Yeah, the back that is standing on. Bob Marley Beach. Alright guys, Bob Marley Beach. There's black sand. Bob Marley Beach. Let's take a walk. This is my first time. Bob Marley Beach. What do you say?
My first time.
Your first time too. See the black sands. Yeah. Get these little homemade cabanas. Real black sand.
Early, do I know? Early? When you say early, what do you mean?
I'm not talking about the day because I got Marcus Garvey Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay, Garvey,
I remember. No, I remember. How old is it on the lower, isn't it?
Yeah, but the man said we forget look at the speaker too, not just the stage show.
Oh.
Cabanas.
My interest want the stage show. Want the yeah.
Bob Marley Beach. The black stones. Yeah. How beautiful, guys. Bob Marley Beach. Children out having fun. Yeah. Nice to experience. It goes all the way around. Now we're in the sand again. So for the mountain view. Huh? Bob Marley Beach. Sun is getting ready to set. You see.